One of the most popular fruits eaten around the world are bananas. Not only are bananas a great breakfast food, but they are fantastic for your health. Bananas are a superfood which can help your body to fight off disease. Not only is the fruit of the banana beneficial, but so is the peel. Whereas most of us discard the peel, scientists have found that the peel is actually very beneficial to us and should be added to our daily routines. The peel of a banana can fight off germs, fungus, and disease. They are also very high in vitamins such as vitamin B6, vitamin B12, magnesium, and potassium. Here are some ways that you can benefit from saving that banana peel and adding it to your beauty routines. 1. Whitens teeth. A banana peel is a natural tooth whitener since it contains citric acid. Citric acid can help to remove or lessen the appearance of yellow stains on your teeth. The peel can also remove plaque and germs from your teeth because it contains salicylic acid. It also supports strong and healthy teeth because it will help your tooth enamel to not be worn down. Here's how to use a banana peel to whiten your teeth. Rub the soft inside of a fresh piece of banana peel on your teeth for a few minutes. When you're done, brush your teeth with toothpaste to remove the residue. Do this once a day for a couple of weeks to remove the stains. 2. Dissolves warts. Since banana peels can help to fight disease, they can help your body to get rid of unwanted warts naturally. They can do this because they contain enzymes and antioxidants that can also help to fight off the germs that caused the wart in the first place. Here's how to naturally remove warts. Cut a piece of banana peel slightly larger than the size of your wart. Place the inside of the peel against the affected area. Secure it with tape or a bandage. Leave it on overnight. Remove the peel the next morning. Repeat daily for a few weeks or until you get rid of the wart. This method can also be used to remove any unwanted corns from your body. 3. Cures acne. Banana peels are also for clearing up acne and treating pimples. The peel can naturally remove harmful toxins from your pores and fight the germs that caused your acne. Also, the banana peel can fight swelling and will calm the inflamed skin around the pimples and affected area. Here's how to use a banana peel to get rid of your acne. Wash your skin with cool water, then pat dry with a clean towel. Massage the affected skin area with the inside of a banana peel for 5 minutes. Wait 20 minutes for the skin to absorb the nutrients. Rinse off with cool water. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. 4. Reduces blemishes. For the same reasons as already mentioned, banana peels are great for treating blemishes on your skin. Banana peels contain vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all of which help to keep your skin healthy and free of marks and blemishes. Also, because the banana peels are high in antioxidants, they fight any disease and can help to remove dark spots from your skin. Here's how the peel of a banana can help to remove your skin's blemishes. Gently rub the white fiber off of a piece of banana peel on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the remaining fibers sit on your skin for at least 20 minutes. Reapply 2 to 3 times daily until the blemishes fade away. 5. Soothes mosquito bites. Banana peels can even be effective in treating mosquito and other bug bites as they work to draw out the insect's fluid that is injected at the time of the bite. Banana peels have something called polysaccharides, which help to get into your skin cells and stop any swelling and discomfort. This usually works within minutes, so it is very effective. Remember this method for the next time you are bitten by a mosquito or other insect. Massage the inside of a banana peel on the affected area for 5 minutes. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse off the area with cool water. Repeat as needed. 6. Remove skin tags. Banana peels can also be used to rid your skin of any ugly and unwanted skin tags. That is because banana peels are high in certain enzymes that are able to melt those skin tags away. Here's how a banana peel can rid your skin of skin tags. Cut out a piece of a banana peel to cover your skin tag properly. Place the white portion of the peel on your skin tag and secure it with a tape. Leave it on overnight. Remove the tape and banana peel and rinse your skin the next morning. Do this daily until your skin tag drops off. 7. Diminishes wrinkles and fine lines. Banana peels are also great for the skin of your face as they help to remove or reduce the appearance of wrinkles. They can also help to tighten your skin and delay any signs of aging thanks to an antioxidant called lutein. Banana peels can leave your skin looking healthy, shiny, and plump. How to add banana peels to your daily facial regime. Rub the inside of a banana peel over your face and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily. 8. Treat psoriasis. Banana peels can also help a certain chronic skin condition that causes itching and dry patches on your skin called psoriasis. Because the banana peel is able to fight off disease, it can help protect the skin against sun damage. It also contains fatty acids, which help to hydrate your skin and remove any signs of dryness or itching. This method is simple to do. Massage the inside of a banana peel over the affected skin. Leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Repeat twice daily. 9. Soothes puffy eyes. After you've eaten your morning banana, you can use the fresh banana peels to revive your tired and puffy eyes. Since bananas are high in potassium, they are able to help remove any bags under your eyes and reduce puffiness. It can also help to remove any darkness under your eyes. Here's how to use banana peels to revive the skin under your eyes. Collect the white fiber on the inside of a banana peel by scraping a spoon along the surface. Mix the fiber with 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel to form a smooth paste. Gently apply the paste around the eyes. Wait 15 minutes, then wash it off with cool water. Repeat as needed. Are any of these methods surprising to you? Have you tried using banana peels in your beauty regime before? Comment below to let us know what worked for you and what didn't.